Hi, my name is Jessie. I'm super happy you found this video because it means you not only love doing natural things or you're curious about natural things, thinking specifically of essential oils, it also means that you saw the title of this video and they're like, there's a business side to this. Now, majority of people that get their own wholesale account in doTERRA, they want the wholesale awesome pricing and all the freebies. That's what most people do. But if you're still watching this video, it's because you want to learn more about how you could earn money from doTERRA. And I am just speaking from my personal experience that the doTERRA business opportunity has been a blessing upon blessing upon blessing upon blessing for my family. Currently, at time of recording, I am able to be home with my children. We homeschool. We love the full-time family motto. We love being all in with our kids, getting time with them. And I have just been, especially the past year or two, really it's just really sunk in as my kids are getting older and I'm getting that time with them because we homeschool where I don't have to take them somewhere else. I'm getting teary, geez Louise. They're home. They get to be home with me, and it's been a wonderful blessing for our family where I get to be home because of the income and the money I make from doTERRA. So if you want to learn more about what that looks like, I would love to set up a time to talk on Zoom, or I can send you some videos that you can start previewing to learn a little bit more about what it looks like. But this is a video where I just really want to make sure that I'm putting it out there because I don't often make videos like this. I love educating and teaching people how to use essential oils, and how cool that that has become my job where I get to educate people and I get paid from doTERRA and I get to be home with my kids. There's no other job that I could think of that I could have the freedom to be with my kids, to work when I'm able to work, to love on people and teach them about essential oils and make the money that I make. I can't think of another job where I could do that. I used to be a high school teacher, but if I was doing that right now, that would be hours upon hours that I'd be away from my kids. And my heart and calling right now is to be home with my kids. So I can do this business of doTERRA on my own time, what works best for me and my family. And it has just been, I'm just speechless. So many blessings have come out of this doTERRA business for us physically, for us spiritually, for us mentally, and for us financially as a family. And so if you are at all curious about what that looks like, my contact information is in the show notes. Please reach out. I can give you some more information. You can digest it. We can figure out a time to talk. And I would love to explain more to you what this looks like, because I am always looking for people that want to partner with me, that are passionate about natural solutions, specifically thinking of doTERRA, that want that freedom like I have. Or maybe it's just you want to earn a little bit extra money so you can take a fun vacation with your family and you want to stash aside money, whatever it is. If you want to learn more about what it looks like to make money with doTERRA, reach out, send me a message. I'm honored to help, and I would love to do that. And I'm always looking for new business partners. So you, whoever is still watching this, do you want to be my business partner? Because I would love it. Have a great day.